What's up guys, it's Luis. I'm here with my boy Drew, who's flying my drone, and today we're gonna go around Oklahoma City. We just ate at La Tropicana. It's really tasty Mexican place down here on the south side of OKC. Go try it out. I'll leave the address below. And we're also gonna hit up some breweries, so stick with us if you like beer, food, and let's do this. Are you excited?
That's so good.
What are you drinking?
Hi, Micah.
Hey.
I'm getting torta cubana for lunch.
Torta cubana.
I can't wait. Did I say it right?
Let me know what you know. Savor it. Savor it.
That's good.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So good.
How was it?
A+.
A plus?
I can't eat anymore. Good.
What is it?
Boobalooba.
First time Boobalooba?
Boobalooba.
All right.
This thing's freaking good.
Hit me with it.
I already started. Let me do round 2.
Uh-huh.
That's good.
What do you think? 10 out of 10?
Deliciousness in my mouth.
Never been here either.
Oh, okay.
I think it's huge.
No, really, you're living. Yeah.
Water.
Water.
He's DD. What do you think about this place?
I think the Pop-Tarts are amazing. I like the vibes. They got a lot of plants. If you're a plant person, they got plants. Look, there's plants.
So we just went to Stitch. It's a pretty cool place. They had some pretty good drinks. Drew got the Pop-Tarts. They have homemade Pop-Tarts, and yeah, what do you think about the place?
It's got a cool vibe. They got good plants, good Pop-Tarts, good coffees.
It's located here at the West Village, and it's Jones Assembly's right there. Clutch is right here. We might go check it out. And Retro Bar's over here. It doesn't open up till later, so we're gonna go see what kind of trouble we can get into. Oh no, actually I think it's open.
There's people in there.
Yeah, let's go. We got a top. Drew, what do you think?
I'm gonna play some video games. It's a pretty cool place.
The energy's right there. Oh, this is...
I've not played in a long time.
Come on. Yes, sir.
Good.
Yeah.
I like the sauce. The sauce is good.
Yeah.
Dope.
There's nothing chill about a hot, sweaty line.
Yeah.
Unless...
That's a clue.
Elevating engine performance by helping it run cleaner and longer. Available now at Now.
Oh, this is nice.
Oh, yeah.
And you said you rent this out?
Yes.
And then sometimes you guys open it up whenever it's a little...
We rent it out for birthday parties, all kinds of things.
Oh, this is nice.
We drop it and help me build the space.
If you or a veteran you know needs
And anywhere that you sit up here, you can actually watch that main street on the wall.
VA.gov/reach.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is pretty cool.
Full bar, restroom.
And just so you guys know, we came in pretty early on a Saturday. It's like, what, 2?
Yeah.
We got here around 2-ish. But I'm pretty sure it gets popping in here. And I'll make another video coming in here later at night and during football season, so. But this place is pretty cool. It's like a man cave, honestly.
Yeah.
What's that?
Where are we?
I don't remember. It's a bookstore and a coffee shop. I don't remember the name. This place is awesome. My wife is gonna be furious I didn't bring her.
Hey there, I'm Melissa Merrill. I'm the owner of Viv Home and Lifestyle here in downtown OKC on historic Film Row, located inside Sailor in the Dock. We are a 1920s converted building, original brick, original scaffolding, and we have so many awesome things here like pop-up markets, food concepts, coffee, bakeries, all kinds of stuff. Come check us out, and we're excited to be in the neighborhood.
So I got a hat, a cool little hat. And Drew, what did you get?
I bought a couple of books and a toy for my dog.
And I feel like it's been a successful trip so far.
Exploring Oklahoma City is a lot of fun.
Yeah, you find little hole in the walls that you didn't even know they were there. And people are just so nice. So now we're about to play some of this, see how that goes.
What's up?
What do you rate our little trip?
Our day in Oklahoma City adventuring is about a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. We found a lot of places.
Bought some stuff.
Yeah, books, got a hat. Here's a mural. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. Shout out to the Energy.
Energy.